Hi loves, welcome back to another video. Today's video is exciting because I am collaborating with my friend Jackie. We're bringing you 6 looks on a specific palette. My friend Jackie and I put our heads together and we decided to bring you 6 looks with this palette right here. We chose the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 1 palette. We wanted to kick it back and go back to basics with something that everybody would have, and I don't know, we wanted to give you some ideas on what looks to create in case you have this palette, and if you don't have this palette you can definitely recreate them with whatever other colors that you have. If you are not familiar with this palette, which it is very hard not to be familiar with this palette, this is the palette right here, and the way that this is gonna work is that I am gonna do 3 looks with this palette, and my friend Jack is gonna have 3 more looks in her channel. I'm gonna be linking her channel down below, and I'm gonna also put pictures of her 3 looks on camera so you can see. Please go watch her, go follow her. She's an amazing person, she's very talented, she is very passionate about makeup the same way that I am, and trust me, you will not regret following her. If you're coming from Jackie's channel, because of course she's gonna be doing the same thing in her channel, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe, join the family, and you can also follow me on my social media. So if you wanna see my 3 looks using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, please keep on watching. I don't know why is it that every single time I have to film, my skin just complains, just goes bad. I can have days and days of good skin, and as soon as I'm gonna sit down to film, everything goes to the toilet. Definitely my skin is not doing too well today, and I tried to turn my acne into beauty spots and that did not work out either, but I don't care. Just don't mind this craziness going on somewhere in all these areas, and let's just focus on the makeup, shall we? Okay, look numero uno, and I'm quickly prepping my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm gonna use this color as my transition shade, so I'm gonna place it on my crease, going back and forth. I'm adding little by little, making sure that the color is blended. Of course, since I started with a little bit of a darker transition shade, I want to make sure that it doesn't look patchy or anything like that, especially because I did not set the base. I haven't really planned this look, but I think I want to go with some greens on this first look. Guys, this is an excellent palette and it really has absolutely everything that you would need. I am concentrating the color in the outer corner and not blending it past this point right here. I kind of want to keep my inner portion a little bit brighter or lighter, in other words. Once I have blended the color on my crease, I'm gonna go in with this color right here and intensify the crease a little bit more. I have switched to a smaller brush. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. This one right here, it comes in a BH Cosmetics set, but everything on the brush is already erased. I can't remember which set it was, but I know it comes in a BH Cosmetics set. So I'm focusing this color on the outer corner, and once there is less on my brush, I'm gonna be taking it slightly through the crease. Picking up this dark green in the same brush, I'm gonna further intensify the outer corner, so I'm gonna be placing that color right here. I'm using a combination of patting motions and very short circular motions to blend this color out. I'm also flicking it out a little bit. Don't worry too much about this portion right here because we're about to cover it up. We're gonna cover it with this green right here. Just picked it up on my finger and I am going to put it all over my eyelid. This color is so gorgeous, guys, so gorgeous. I'm not gonna take it too far in but I am gonna take it a little bit past my crease, meaning above my crease, because I have slightly hooded eyes and I kind of want this color to show up when my eyes are open. Something like this. With the same brush I was using before, I'm tapping the edges. I am not adding any color. I am not picking up any other color from the palette. I'm simply just using whatever was left on this brush to go over the edges and blend them out. I want some contrast in the inner corner, so I'm gonna be picking up this color right here and placing it right here wherever I left blank. Now this is gonna be my inner corner highlight, but it's also gonna come a little bit in my crease. I'm also gonna apply some to my brow bone. I'm gonna go off camera really quick and do some makeup on my face, and I'll be right back to finish off the under eyes. I am back to finish off the under eyes, and I left some powder on my face in case of any fallout. For the under eyes, I'm using the same colors. I am applying the same brown color that I use for my transition shade, and I'm just gonna use it for my transition shade down here as well. Now going in with the dark green, and I'm just stamping it on my outer corner, just very close to my lash line. Just going back and blending that color. For a little pop of color, I'm gonna grab this blue right here, using a very small amount, and I'm gonna run it through my lower lash line. That definitely didn't do much, but it made the blue, not the blue, the green pop a little bit more. For my waterline, I'm gonna use this ColourPop liner in the color Teaspoon. We are totally ready for lashes, so let me pop them on and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright, I am back, and this is look number 1 all finished up. These lashes, if you're curious, are from Nikia Joy Cosmetics. They're from the Day to Night set, and I am obsessed with this look. It's perfect for nightwear. If you have a special event, this shade of green is very flattering, very nice. Let's work on look number 2. Using a Morphe R37 brush, I'm just gonna go back and forth on my crease. And this color is super light, but it is a perfect transition color for me. I think for this look I wanna do a halo eye, and I kinda wanna use some of the blues. Using the same brush, the R37, I am just gonna go back and forth with this color on my crease. I am applying little by little. This color is very nice. It kind of warms up any look very nicely, and it's also a perfect transition color for almost anything. I forgot to mention that for this look I started out with my eyes already primed with the same MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. And also I have my face makeup on. That's why I apply some powder under my eyes so I can catch any fallout. To start creating the halo effect, I'm gonna place this color on my outer corner and also my inner corner, leaving the center blank. So I'm just tapping the color on my outer corner and also my inner corner, just like this. When there is almost nothing on my brush, I'm gonna connect the center. So I'm just swiping my brush back and forth between the two colors. To give a little bit more intensity, I'm gonna use this color. This is a very dark brown, and I wanna use it to very slightly, I'm using the same brush, but I am using it to very slightly give a little bit more intensity. I want to use this blue right here and also this lighter blue. I want to use them both, but I'm gonna start with the darker blue and I'm gonna place it right here wherever I place that intense brown. So in the outer corner and the inner corner, and I am making it meet the brown, but not taking it all the way in the center here, because I want to put the lighter color right there. I'm also making it meet right here on the top. And just a tip, if you want more intensity in this color, I kind of want a wash of the color, but if you want more intensity, you can cut this section right here with some concealer. You can clean it up. Placing the blue in the center now. Grabbing the same brush that I used to apply the blue, I am just gonna tap these edges right here so the blues blend into each other. I am gonna use that orangey color as a transition shade as well. Going in with the darker blue first on a flat brush, apply it in the inner corner and the outer corner, just like on the top lid. And guys, this is so difficult to do on camera. And finally, I'm gonna apply some of the lighter blue right in the center. To give my waterline a pop, I'm gonna use this Colourpop Trans eyeliner. I'm gonna use this color to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. The brush I'm using for this is the JH42. And all we have left are lashes. I'm gonna pop them on. I'll be right back. Okay loves, I am back to show you look number 2 completely finished. Same as look number 1, these lashes are from the Nikia Joy Cosmetics Day to Night set. And I am obsessed with this look. It is everything. I love these colors. In my opinion, this look can definitely be worn anytime. It's just gorgeous and I love these colors. So yeah, this is look number 2. I am all prepped and ready for look number 3, and I want to play with some pinks and reds on this one. I'm gonna start by mixing these two and using them as my transition shades. The first brush I'm going in with is my Morphe R37 brush, just to add these colors as transitions. So I'm going back and forth similar to look 1, just back and forth on the crease and a little bit above the crease. Just blending this color very well. Once again, I place some powder under my eyes just to catch any fallout. I am building up these colors. I don't want them to be too intense, but I want them to be visible. I want them to show up. I'm gonna pick up this red color right here and I'm gonna place it on my lid with the same brush. I haven't switched brushes or anything. I'm just using my R37. This is a fluffy blending brush. I would say it's a crease brush. So I want this color to be blended. I just want this look to be daytime appropriate. Since the other two looks that I did were a little bit more intense, then I want this one to be a little bit more daytime appropriate, a little bit more wearable. Picking up a little bit more of the same color, I'm gonna be concentrating it on the outer corner. I think I wanna use this color right here for all over the lid. This color is a beautiful shimmery brown, but I would say that it has also kind of like a reddish tone. I don't want too much of this color, but I'm patting it all over my lid. It is just gorgeous and it pairs very well with the red that I applied before. I want to place this color right here in the corner, right here in my inner corner, and I kind of want it to overlap all the way to, let's say, half of the lid. Removing the powder now to work on the lower lash line. This might be totally brilliant or totally crazy, but I'm gonna place this purple color on my lower lash line. I am using a Morphe E36 brush to do this, and I'm gonna place this color close to my lower lash line, but not too close, meaning I wanna drag it down just a little bit. Somehow I don't regret doing that, and hopefully I don't regret the next thing I'm gonna do, and that is place this ColourPop liner on my waterline just as an extra pop of color. This one is in the shade Boots. I don't know why, but I am under the impression that on camera it looks red, but it is a pink liner. All we need now are the finishing touches. So I'm gonna place this color right here in my inner corner and my brow bone. Very last minute, but I decided to put just a tiny bit of this gold right here in the center of my eye, like this. And that's pretty much it for the third look, guys. Let me just do mascara and lashes and I will be right back to give you the final look. Alright, so this is look number 3 and the final look completely done. This one is fun and definitely perfect for day wear. If you have a special occasion to attend, this one will be gorgeous. But honestly, who is going anywhere nowadays? Those were my 3 looks. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I definitely tried to create some variety. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe and do not forget to check Jacky's look. And I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye!